In question number 10, it says the sloth population in a Costa Rican rainforest is increasing at a rate of 1.6% per year. The population was 526 in the year 2002. What is the best prediction of the population in year 2020? Okay, so some things we need to pull out from this question. It tells us that we are increasing. So right there, that indicates that we're going to have a growth problem. So I'm going to be using that plus sign in my formula. It tells me my rate is 1.6%. So I'm going to fill that in for rate. And then remember to go from our percentage to a decimal, we just divide by 100. So I'm going to have 0.016 for my percent as a decimal. The population was 526 in the beginning. So remember B, that's our beginning value. So that's that 526. And then I'm starting in the year 2002, and I'm ending in the year 2020. So you can subtract those two to get a total of 18 years for my time. Once I have all those values, I can just go ahead and stick them into my function. So my B value, that's that 526. I have 1 plus my rate, okay, that's that 0.016, and then all raised to the t, that's going to be to the 18th. Technically here, I should have put in my value of t into my function if I'm using proper notation here, so because we are already evaluating when t is 18, and then I can just type it in like I see it. You can do a couple steps if you like to kind of work things out step by step. Here, I'll show you kind of what I mean. You could do a step in between here and evaluate this part that's in parentheses first. So I'd have 1.016 raised to the 18th, and then you could plug this all in. But it's fine too if you do it all in one step. So 526 times 1 plus 0.016, oops, 16, and then that's raised to the 18th power. Press enter, and I get 699.96. So I'm going to go ahead and round up then to 700. That would be my approximation of approx, because we rounded approximately 700 sloths. So on the test, find your initial value, find your rate, find your time, and then make sure you pay attention to whether or not you have growth or decay. If it's increasing its growth, that's when you use that plus sign. If this was decreasing, we would have used that minus sign in between our 1 and our rate. So just make sure you're paying attention to those details.